For sure. It is that time of
year.
A lot going on.
Yeah. Water temperatures in northwest Oklahoma. We're going to the fishing report, folks. Upper 50s and the mid 60s in southeast Oklahoma. And the garden centers right now look like NASCAR on a Saturday afternoon.
Well,
they sure do. Let's take a look. We've got a lot to talk about, including what appears to be a wet weather pattern heading our way. That'll get your attention if you're a gardener for sure. A little sunshine right there. Quite a bit of cloud cover for your Friday late afternoon. And our temperature is 63 degrees. We just eased back from our daytime high. The winds are not nearly as strong today. 46 was our low. It was 42 up at Lake Hefner, and 64 degrees our daytime high. And we're in the low 60s to the mid 60s. Newcastle 61, 64 in Moore right now and in Norman. And we're a mix of upper 50s to middle 60s. Durant hit 69. Here's the latest drought report. It is unusually dry in northern and northwestern Oklahoma. It is not the top two colors here, which we see that a lot around here, right? But this is heading into the prime time growing season. The winter wheat crop could use a good wet stretch to get the grain in the bin. And if you can get a good wet stretch in late April, early May, you can get that grain in the bin easily come early mid-June. And we're going to be getting this. Now, it's not going to be with tomorrow's rain. Tomorrow's rain looks underwhelming. So mostly cloudy out there right now. Here comes this jet stream system now. It's snowing in Denver currently, and this will bring rain to parts of Oklahoma tomorrow, but not all of Oklahoma. It will be a cooler day tomorrow and a cloudier day tomorrow because this cool air mass is in place and it is in force. It is snowing in 34 degrees right now, incredibly in Denver, Colorado. So tonight late, rain does develop in Texoma land, down around Ardmore and over toward Pushmataha County. It'll be a cool day, really by some folks' standards, a chilly day coming up for tomorrow, with 54 for a high in Dallas, for example, and raining basically all day in the southern parts of our state, and perhaps just a few hours of rain in parts of the metro, but that should be about it. It's a big weekend. There's a lot going on across a large part of our state. If you live near or south of I-40, rain chances much, much better than near and north of I-40. Here's a closer look at that. This is tomorrow morning. This is tomorrow early afternoon. The cloud cover's in gray, the precipitation in the blue, green, yellow, and orange. A few embedded thunderstorms in the Red River, maybe a few hours of rain in parts of the metro tomorrow afternoon, early tomorrow evening. A little lingering drizzle maybe for a while Saturday evening, then it moves on out. Some fog around Sunday morning, then partial clearing for a better second half of your weekend as sunshine takes over with light winds on Sunday, 55 at 10 p.m., 45 for a low tonight with a light northeasterly breeze, cloudy skies, but the metro stays dry, and from 43 to 50 for metro lows tonight. And lows will be in the low 50s in southern Oklahoma with some rain developing later tonight. All dry for you folks up north for tonight and for tomorrow morning. And 58 for tomorrow, a moderate probability. Low chance here, moderate chance here. Excellent probability in the dark green, mid-50s and wet, some fog around, maybe a few patches of sun up in northern Oklahoma, and closer to 60 for a daytime high. So again, we're kind of riding the fence right here either side of Interstate 40. Here's the rain through 1:30 p.m. tomorrow, from 1:30 p.m. through 10 p.m. tomorrow. You see it fills in. The blues a half inch to close to locally an inch of rain right there on the Red River, and from 0 to maybe 0.2 of an inch in the metro with a bias again toward the southern sides of town. So again, I really wouldn't change any of your plans. This is going to be a cloudy day tomorrow and also chilly in the high 50s. Better weather on Sunday, morning fog. That burns off, becoming partly to mostly sunny, light winds, and in the middle 60s. Beginning next Thursday, a risk of severe weather. And let me tell you, this is a wet weather pattern taking hold beginning next Thursday. Wouldn't be a bit surprised if we wipe out any dryness anywhere in the state coming up, and even potentially some flooding problems beginning about Thursday of next week through the following weekend. Again, such a busy time of year, but it does look like an unsettled wet weather pattern. Those probabilities Thursday, Friday, Saturday of next week should go up even more from there. No real cold weather after these chilly morning lows coming up the next few mornings, 41 degrees right there, but well above freezing, and then mostly 70s for highs. And that's the next 11 days.
Well, we like to hear that the rain's coming.
Yeah, good stuff. Lay down fertilizer.
Exactly.
No severe weather that you can see.
I wouldn't say that.
Oh, shoot.
I hope you're right, though. That'd be good.
Sports is next.